Okay, next we talk about skin tone, whether you're cool tone or warm tone, and whether you are spring, summer, autumn, winter. In Korea, right, they are so into this color trend. Okay, so if you want to book me for a color analysis or a makeup appointment, you can book me at the end of this video. Alright, so basically let me tell you how to analyze your own. Alright, if you are blonde or brunette, or blonde, brunette or red. Okay, normally, right, blonde, brunette or red tone, right, they are more warm tone. So as I mentioned earlier in my previous video, if you look at your vein color, if your vein color is green, you are warm tone. If your vein color is avatar blue color, you are cool tone. Alright, and then if you have both vein color of cool tone, vein color of green and blue, you are neutral tone. That means any color you can wear. Alright, so let me go through this chart for you. If you are cool tone, that means blue vein. If you have blonde hair and you have light eyes, then you are summer tone. Okay, if you have brunette hair and you have dark eyes, you are more winter tone. So for me, right, when it comes to like spring, summer, autumn, winter, I'll tell you more what is my color tone. All right, so if you are blonde, if you are warm tone and you are blonde, brunette or red, take a look at your eyes, whether you are light tone or dark eyes. Okay, if you are Asians, right, definitely dark eyes. Okay, but some Asians like the Indians, they have light eyes. So if you have blue, green eyes, Indians, you are so blessed. I really love their eyes color, so nice. Okay, so spring color, you can wear spring color. If you have your Asians, are mostly for us dark eyes, brown eyes, black eyes. Okay, you are autumn color. So for me, right, I am autumn and winter. So I can wear this color tone. So if you want more of this kind of video, follow me for more. And actually, I'm going to show you the actual palette, because I find that the filter for TikTok is not so accurate, because the filter color, it changed according to your screen color, you see. So I'm going to find a much more accurate palette for you all. So if you like this kind of information, follow me for more. See you soon in my next video. Bye. Oh yes, forgot. I need to teach you all how to DM me to book me for appointment for makeup session. And also to maybe color analyze your wardrobe if you want to. So you can go to my main TikTok, right, and then top right hand corner, click and then send message to me. So to book me for appointment, I can go over to your place and analyze your wardrobe's color and then your skin tone color, whether which color you're suitable for. I'll bring my color palette cloth, okay, and then we do makeup together. So thank you so much for watching. See you soon in my next video. Bye. Oh yes, follow me for more. Bye.